So it's Z here. I'm currently in upstate New York. I figured most Nigerians, when we think about New York, we tend to think about Manhattan, Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, sometimes Long Island, sometimes, you know, the Hamptons for the fancy ones. But overall, I figured showcasing a different side of New York where those who want a more relaxed, a more chilled out experience, and many people think that New York is just very, very loud and crazy. Well, head up north. I'm currently in Finger Lakes area. For this video, it's gonna be all about the food, the wine, some nice local people, some nice local restaurants, and all that jazz.
Well, you know you make me wanna shout, kick my heels up and shout, throw my hands up and shout, throw my head back and shout. Come on now, don't forget to say you.
Hey, go. Yeah, go.
Do it. You got it.
So now let's highlight a bit more on my favorite in Finger Lakes.
Deep fried almond joy. That's deep fried Nutella. I could die.
So, what do you think about Finger Lakes? Would you go north and experience a bit more beyond the city of New York? Let me know in the comments down below.